Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for future videos. Thank you.
Hey guys, Houston here, and today I'm going to show you how to take this weed eater, lawnmower, and blower, and make it into a $50,000 company. So stay tuned. So now let's see how to turn a landscaping business into a $50,000 business with only 20 clients. So this is what I want you to do if you're in the landscaping, you're cutting grass business, and you're trying to make it into an actual business. The first thing you want to do is set up the corp, okay? The reason that you want to set up the corp because you don't want to take on a liability, because when you're cutting grass and you're weeding, and if a rock gets thrown and you break that glass, you're in the negative. So you do not want to lose any money on this job. That's the first thing you want to do, is set up a corporation so it will protect you. Also, your clients that you have, those 20 clients that you have, you want them to pay the money to your business bank account. You don't want the money paid to your personal bank account. You want to pay to a business bank account once you set up the corporation, because that's going to build up your business credit rating and your business bank rating. So this is giving you a relationship with the banks. Now remember, you only have 20 customers. And so for each customer, you're charging them, so 20 customers, you charge them $60, right? So you're going to charge them $60 a month, almost like a subscription. So $60, that's break down, so basically that's $15 a week, right? So what you can do, you can set up an online service to where they are debited $15 a week, or you can have them pay $60. If they pay the $60 up front, you say, well, if you pay the $60 up front, I'll give you a $5 discount. Or if you take the subscription, which is $15 a week, then what I'll do is I'll give you an extra cut. Okay? So you try to get them on a subscription is better than them just paying up front. Okay? The reason is because when you having money constantly deposited into your business bank account instead of on one lump sum or whatever, then you're showing better activity and you're growing your clientele as well. Now, let's go. All right, so now you got your business bank account, you're building up your business credit and your business bank rating. Because you have this income coming into the business, now you're able to get funding without a personal guarantee. And so, again, setting it up on a subscription base would be better, but if you can't, say, hey, if you pay it in full, I'll give you a $5 discount. So you still have that customer on. And don't forget, you're not only just going to be cut, mow, blow, basically, you may have other services that they may need. They may need you to haul away something, or they may need you to do some extra cleaning, right? People always have extra stuff they want you to do. And so once they build that relationship and they can rely on you landscaping their grass and everything, guess what? They probably want you to do some planting, you know, so that you can keep the property up, and you can charge them an extra fee. Hey, this is for cut, mow, blow, but do you want your weeds treated as well? So you can try a weed treatment for an extra $15 a month. Right? So that way they know that they're not going to have any weeds. So now you're up from $60 to $75 a month for this customer. So they're happy, you're happy, the money's being paid to your business checking account, which is building up your business bank rating as well as your business credit. And again, because you have your financial statements and your business bank statements, you can utilize these documents to help you get qualified for more funding. And again, you're only talking about 20 clients. I have my landscaping guy that comes to my house and everything. I know he probably has about 100, but at the same time, he's still only charging me $15 a week. So he's making pretty good, but this is the thing that I know that he's doing wrong. He doesn't have a corporation set up. So all the money he gets, he's pocketing it because he's trying to keep the money from the IRS. Let me help you understand something. the IRS documentation for us filing with your taxes and stuff like that, you'll actually end up with more money because they're that third party verifier to show proof, yeah, they filed their taxes, they're in compliance as a business, and you're able to get qualified for more money through the banks or other lending institutions. So this is how you can build a $50,000 landscaping business with only 20 clients. It doesn't take that many clients to get that type of clientele, and more likely most people, they'll probably surpass that 20 clients or whatever. But just looking at the basic system, you can use 20 clients to build you a $50,000 business. And once you get approved for those business credit cards, then 6 to 9 months down the road, then you can apply for a business line of credit. So that way you can buy more equipment, right? So when you buy more equipment, you're able to go get more clientele. So you keep on growing the business, and like I said, you're not dependent on nobody, and you didn't even worry about your personal credit. So if you want to learn more about how to properly set up your corporation, then check out the 3-Way Funding Program by clicking the link somewhere on this video. Thank you.